Greetings everyone! Hardware wallets today are everywhere. Ledger, Trezor, SafePal. The market is literally overflowing. But I want to show you something different. The simplest cold wallet. One that even a person hearing the word crypto for the very first time can understand. Its name is TANGEM Wallet. To give you a sense of how easy it is, the TANGEM team once ran an experiment. They gave random passers-by just 3 minutes to activate their very first crypto wallet. And almost everyone succeeded. No instructions, no seed phrases, no unnecessary hassle. And you know what? That's not even the most exciting part. At the end of this video, I'll share news that could truly shake up the hardware wallet market. Plus, a link to purchase TANGEM with a 10% discount is already waiting for you in the description. If crypto storage is important to you, this video is definitely worth watching until the end. Let's begin. Before diving into TANGEM, let's cover the basics. Why do you even need a cold wallet? Cryptocurrency isn't stored on a card or in a phone. It always lives on the blockchain. Access to it is granted by a private key. If that key is stolen, your assets disappear with it. This is where the cold wallet comes in. It's a device that keeps your private key offline, without constant internet connection. No internet, no risk of remote hacking. The key stays physically with you. It's never transmitted over the network, meaning no one from outside can intercept access to your coins. Why this matters? That's why hardware wallets are considered the most reliable way to store cryptocurrency, especially for long-term investments or large sums. Remember, a cold wallet equals a private key that's always with you, not on the internet. If crypto is a topic you care about, now's the perfect time to subscribe to the channel and hit like. It helps promote our videos and motivates us to prepare even more useful content for you. How TANGEM differs from the rest. Usually, a cold wallet looks like a mini device, a flash drive with buttons, a screen, and a cable for connection. It needs charging, firmware updates, USB or Bluetooth pairing, and navigating menus. For beginners, this often feels too complicated. TANGEM breaks this stereotype. It's not a flash drive or a gadget with a screen. It's a card, similar to a bank card. No wires, no battery, no firmware updates, no unnecessary setup. You simply tap the card to your phone via NFC and sign a transaction with one touch. That's it. This is why TANGEM is called the most accessible cold wallet for beginners. The biggest revolution TANGEM brings is the absence of a mnemonic seed phrase of 12 or 24 words. With classic wallets, you must write down the seed phrase, store it securely, never photograph it, and never show it to anyone. Lose the phrase, lose access. Someone sees it, they can take all your funds. TANGEM solves this differently. The private key is generated inside the card and never leaves it. Backup is done through additional cards, not paper words. Lose one card, access remains. Lose all cards, recovery is impossible. It's an honest and simple model. Your cards equals your access. Friends, in the description of this video, we've left a collection of useful links, the best centralized exchanges, top no KYC platforms, reliable wallets, our Telegram channel, and other socials. Check it out. It's genuinely helpful. TANGEM wallet packages and security level. TANGEM comes in 2 versions. Set of 2 cards, set of 3 cards. Each card is a full copy of the private key. There's no main and backup. All are equal. Any card gives you access to your assets. Why most choose 3 cards? 3 cards provide an extra layer of security. Lose one, 2 remain. Lose a second, you still have access. The more backup cards you have, the harder it is to completely lose access to your wallet. Saving on security is usually a bad idea, especially when it comes to long-term crypto storage. Passport level security. TANGEM focuses not only on convenience, but also on real physical security. Inside each card is a secure chip rated EAL6+, the same level used in biometric passports, banking systems, and government infrastructure. What this means for the user? The private key is created inside the card and never leaves it. It cannot be read, copied, or intercepted. Firmware is installed once at the factory and never updated, eliminating risk of software hacks. The wallet has passed independent audits confirming no backdoors. In practice, to access funds, an attacker would need both the physical card and your access code. Without them, nothing can be done. Supported networks and tokens. TANGEM is not a wallet for just a couple of coins. It works with over 16,000 assets across more than 85 blockchains. All major ecosystems are supported. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT and USDC, BNB Smart Chain, TON, Solana, Tron. Plus dozens of other networks, with the list constantly expanding. This makes TANGEM not only a reliable storage solution, but also a full-scale multi-currency tool for working with crypto. How TANGEM works in practice. Creating a wallet takes literally 3 minutes, and no technical skills. Download the TANGEM Wallet app. Tap the card to your phone via NFC. Create the wallet. Add the remaining cards for backup. No seed phrases, no paper notes, no memorizing words. Cards equals keys. The number of cards equals the number of backups. Signing transactions. To send a coin, tap the card to your smartphone. Confirm with fingerprint or PIN code, and the operation is complete. TANGEM's core principle. All interaction is built around one simple rule. Have the card, have access. No card, no access. Main operations. Receive, send, exchange. In the TANGEM app, everything is designed so even a beginner can handle it. Receiving crypto. Select the coin. Click Receive. Share the address or QR code. Sending crypto. Enter the recipient's address, input the amount, confirm with a card tap. Exchange inside the wallet. Quick swaps between coins are available directly in the app. Fee options. Fast, for instant transactions. Standard, the optimal choice. Manual, for advanced users. Everything is fully transparent. You see the rate, fee, and final amount before confirming. The main advantage of TANGEM is simplicity. The app looks just like a familiar mobile banking app. List of coins, action buttons, balance and transaction history. No unnecessary screens, no complicated menus. Wallets can be switched with a swipe. Convenient if you have multiple cards. Each wallet can be named to avoid confusion. Balance can be hidden with a single gesture, useful in public places. Actions are confirmed via PIN code, Face ID, or NFC card tap. All operations follow a simple algorithm. Open, choose coin, receive, send, exchange. No technical barriers, just clear steps and a user-friendly interface. Earning opportunities in TANGEM. TANGEM is not only about secure storage and easy transfers. Right inside the app, staking is available. You lock your cryptocurrency and receive rewards directly to your wallet. How it works. Supported networks like Sol, ETH, and others pay interest for participating in transaction validation. It's similar to a bank deposit, but without intermediaries or centralized platforms. The rate depends on the specific network, and income is distributed gradually, without sending funds to external services. Who benefits? Beginners. A simple way to start passive income without extra risks. Experienced users, the ability to keep assets under control without handing them over to exchanges. As a result, TANGEM becomes a two-in-one tool. Reliable storage and a source of passive income. Crypto opens dozens of earning opportunities. We've collected the best ideas and shared them in our Telegram. Subscribe. The link is in the description under the video. And now, the very thing I promised at the beginning. TANGEM is preparing to launch a Visa card with cold storage built inside. What this means, this will be a full-fledged bank card that simultaneously remains a hardware wallet. You can pay with it like a regular Visa. In stores, services, terminals. Support for Apple Pay and Google Pay. The private key always stays offline, inside the secure chip. Scale. Support is planned for more than 130 million merchants worldwide. Card management will be handled through the TANGEM app, just as simple as it is now. Why it matters? Essentially, this is a step from cold storage to real crypto usage in everyday life. No exchanges, no withdrawals, no waiting. And most importantly, no external control. TANGEM turns a cold wallet into a tool you can actually pay with in the real world. This could become a turning point for the entire hardware wallet market. TANGEM is a next-generation cold wallet that removes unnecessary complexity. A card instead of a bulky device, backup through physical copies, no seed phrases to write down, a simple interface and passport-level chip security. For those who want to store crypto safely and without extra hassle, this is one of the most convenient options on the market. If you want to try TANGEM Wallet, the link in the description gives you a 10% discount on purchase. Always buy only from official sellers. The safety of your funds is more important than saving a few dollars. Enjoyed the video? A like and subscription will help us create even more useful content. We talk about crypto simply and clearly. No fluff, just the essentials. And in our Telegram, you'll find extra materials and discussions. See you in the next episodes. Get your questions ready, it's going to be exciting.